In this part, we will explain here how to obtain a shapefile map of the global soil, digital soil map of the world DSMW, and download it from its own site. It dates back to 2011 and how to extract from it the shapefile map of the soil of Iraq or any country as follows. We downloaded the digital soil map of the world DSMW from the site in the description below this video and here in the Word file inside the preset file, where we go to the preset file and we open the file with the title DSMW. Then we go to the Word file titled HTTPS and we open it. And here we go to this first site and we click on control and then we make left click on this site that exists in the description below this video. So this site appeared to us by digital soil map of the world DSMW, which is specified to an organization, the FAO Digital Soil Map of the world DSMW. Then we go and make left click on the source website, which is FAO-org. This website will be opened from the FAO with the title. We make left click on it on this site, FAO-org. This website will open for FAO with the title Geo Network, and we go down to this place with the title Show File Download Chooser, and in it we choose Digital Soil Map of the World Esri Shapefile format, as we see, and we make left click on it. We make left click on it. Then the download window will appear for the zip file with the title DSMW. Then we click on Start Download and the download will start. Here we have already downloaded this DSMW.zip file. It is located here in the preset file entitled DSMW.zip. This file, we make a copy for it and transfer it to desktop via paste. Then we decompress this file. This file appears to us under the title DSMW, which contains the shapefile map of the global soil. Digital Soil Map of the world DSMW by shapefile extension. It is also contain Excel and Word files which includes information about the soil and such as the Excel file entitled generalized SU info, which is contains soil information. Here in the first column we have soil unit symbol and the rest of information such as percentage of sand, silt, clay for top soil and subsoil, and pH and organic carbon OC and nitrogen, and other information about each type of soil for DSMW in this file. Now we close this file and we put the DSMW.zip file into it, and in this file entitled DSMW there is a global soil map titled DSMW with the shapefile extension, where we can open this map in the ArcMap program as follow, where we go to ArcMap and open this map via add, then we go to the desktop, then to the file titled DSMW, then we select the file under titled DSMW with the extension shapefile, and we click on add. Then the digital soil map of the world DSMW open in the ArcMap program, where we go to the map layer in the table of content and make right click on it, then open attribute table. This table appears and includes the field of soil type FAO soil and field DOM-SOL for dominant soil, and the rest of the information about the soil. Then we close the table and to extract the shapefile map with the UTM coordinate of the soil type for the state of Iraq or any country, we go to the file titled Soil of Iraq Shapefile UTM that we previously created on the desktop and open it, and we add inside it a file titled Iraq DSMW ArcGIS. As we see, then we open this file and we make inside it two other files. The first is titled Iraq DSMW shapefile, Iraq DSMW shapefile, and the second is titled Iraq DSMW shapefile UTM. As we see. Now we go to the ArcMap program, and it has the DSMW Global Soil Map. This is the table this is the table which contains global soil information, where the shape here is polygon types. To extract the shapefile map for Iraq or any country, we go and open the Arc Toolbox window. Since we have the shapefile type map, we go to analysis tool. It is performing operation on the map type shapefile. Then we click on analyze tool, and to crop the map of Iraq, we go to extract and then choose a clip. We go to extract and then we choose a clip. In the field input feature, we select the map layer titled DSMW. Then we go to the clip feature field and we choose the shapefile map for Iraq in the following path: desktop Iraq IDM shapefile, Iraq IDM 0 shapefile. Then we press add. Then we specify the place to save. We make Ctrl C on the save name. Then we specify the location for saving in the file that we made on the desktop, which is Iraq DSM RIS. And then inside the file Iraq DSM shapefile, and we write the name of the save. Then we press save. Here the coordinates are unknown, and then we press OK. Here the coordinates are unknown, and we press OK. A message appears that the clip operation was successful. As we see. Now we go to the table of content and we close the DSMW map, and the soil map for Iraq appears. So we make right click on the Iraq soil map layer and we choose zoom to layer. Here the soil map for Iraq was cropped. We make right click on the soil map layer of Iraq, then open attribute table. So the table for the soil information for the Iraq map appears with 200 polygon. Then we close this table and we close our toolbox and we remove the map from the table of content by means of remove. And to convert the shapefile map of Iraq that was cropped a little while ago to UTM coordinate, we go to Global Mapper and open it. Then we press Open Data File and open the Iraq map for soil type, which was cropped in the following path: desktop, soil of Iraq, shapefile UTM, Iraq DSMW ArcGIS, Iraq DSMW shapefile, then DSMW clip.shp shapefile. We open this map and specify the type of coordinate. It should be type geographic, latitude, longitude, and the datum is WGS84. Then we press OK. Then we convert the map coordinate UTM by tool, configure, projection. From the drop menu we choose UTM and zone equal 38 and the datum WGS84. Then we press play, then OK. Then we export the map by file export vector over LiDAR format with shapefile extension. Then OK. Then we define export area in the following path: desktop, soil of Iraq, shapefile UTM, Iraq DSMW ArcGIS, Iraq DSMW shapefile UTM, and we write here the name of the map, which is Iraq DSMW UTM. Then we Iraq DSMW UTM. Then we press save. Then OK. Then a map of Iraq soil is exported as a DSMW with the UTM coordinate. Now we close a global mapper and the map titled Iraq DSMW UTM is in the preset file inside the file titled Soil of Iraq shapefile UTM. Inside the file with the title Iraq DSMW ArcGIS. Inside the file with the title Iraq DSMW shapefile UTM. And the map is this with the title Iraq DSMW UTM.shapefile. This map is activated here with the title Iraq DSMW UTM with the extension shapefile and extracted from Digital Soil Map of the World DSMW 2011, and is one of the that will be used mainly in the implementation of ArcSWAT and other programs. It is located in this path as we see here. Now we go to the ArcMap program and we add this map to the path that we have indicated, and that is titled Iraq DSM UTM.shp, which is located in this path. as we see. Where we open this map of titled Iraq DSMW.zip with extension shapefile, and we go to the map layer and the table of content and make right click on it, then open attribute table. Then the table for this map appears. A field titled MUID has been added by going to the table option. Then a field of MUID has been added by going to the table option. Then we add field, and in this field we must add the US soil number. Here random number were added depending on the numbers in the field titled SNUM. Field titled SNUM, as we see. This is done by making right click on the field MUID, then we choose field calculator, then yes, then MUID equal, then double click on SNUM, then OK. The numbers are moved to the field titled MUID. These numbers must be changed to US soil numbers for each type according to field title DOMSOL, which is dominant soil, and then we close this table. This is dominant soil, then we close this table. Thus, we have completed the explanation of how to obtain the shapefile map, digital soil map of the world DSMW, and how to download it from the site, which is for the year 2011, and how to extract from it the shapefile map of the soil of Iraq or any country.